In this video, I'll guide you through how to change your phone number on your Amazon account. Keeping your account information up to date is crucial, and changing your phone number when necessary helps secure your account and ensures you receive important notifications. Let's dive into the process step by step. First, open your web browser and head over to the Amazon website. Once you're there, take a look at the top right corner of the page. You'll notice a section labeled Account and Lists. Hover your mouse over this area and a drop-down menu will appear. This menu is your gateway to managing various aspects of your Amazon account. Next, go ahead and click on Account. This will take you to a new page where you can see all the different settings you can adjust. From this page, look for the Login and Security tile. This section is where you'll manage your login credentials and security settings. Click on it to proceed. At this point, Amazon may prompt you to enter your password or approve a notification on your current phone. This is an extra security measure to confirm that it's really you making these changes. So be prepared with your login details or your current phone to approve the notification. Once you've successfully authenticated, scroll down until you see the mobile phone number section. This is where you'll be able to update your phone number. Click on the Edit button next to it. Now you'll need to enter your new phone number. Make sure to double check that you've typed it correctly to avoid any issues later. Once you've entered the new number, click on Continue. Amazon will then send a verification code, also known as an OTP or one-time password, to the new phone number you've just entered. This step is crucial for verifying that you have access to the new number. Keep your phone handy and check your messages for the SMS containing the code. Once you receive the verification code, enter it into the space provided on your computer screen. After that, click on Verify. This step finalizes the change, linking your new phone number to your Amazon account. And that's it, you've successfully updated your phone number on Amazon. This simple change ensures that you remain connected and your account information stays current. Remember, keeping your contact details up to date is vital for account security and receiving timely alerts from Amazon about orders or account activity. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If you found it helpful, consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing for more helpful guides. See you next time.